Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 2, Day 5. First we're going to blend sounds to make words. Ready? Fern, b-d, bird, th-d, third, s-w-v, swerve, p-s, purse. Now I'm going to say a word and then change one of the sounds in the word to make a new word. Fur, change the to r. Far, change the heard, change the to a. Head. Shirt, change the to or. Short. Burn, change the to r. Barn. Term, change the to a. Tame. Stir, change the to a. Stay. Okay, nice job, friends. So let's look at this. The first word is drip. I'll give you 3 seconds to find it. 3, 2, 1. C. This is snap. 3, 2, 1. A. And last of all, stick. 3, 2, 1. B. And all of these are blends. Dur, sn, and st. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds to read these. 3, 2, 1. Her. 3, 2, 1. Girl. 3, 2, 1. Burn. 3, 2, 1. Word. Okay, let's read this. Worm. Change the to d. Word. Change the d to th. Worth. Change the th to s. Worse. Change the s to st. Worst. Change the w to duh. So this is going to be duh. And then change the st to t. So dirt. Change the d to sh. Shirt. Change the sh to sk. Skirt. Change the sk to f. So this would be f. And then, so fur. And then change the t to st. First. Change the st to firm. Change the f to t. Term. Change the t to h. And the to d. Herd. Okay, now we're on fluency. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds and you're going to read a bunch of words. 3, 2, 1. Surf. 3, 2, 1. Girl. 3, 2, 1. Worker. 3, 2, 1. Painter. 3, 2, 1. Sharp. 3, 2, 1. Her. 3, 2, 1. Nurse. 3, 2, 1. Surfer. 3, 2, 1. Helper. 3, 2, 1. Barge. 3, 2, 1. First. 3, 2, 1. Verb. 3, 2, 1. Teacher. 3, 2, 1. Farmer. 3, 2, 1. Birdbath. 3, 2, 1. Work. 3, 2, 1. Herself. 3, 2, 1. Starter. 3, 2, 1. Renter. 3, 2, 1. Silly. 3, 2, 1. Never. 3, 2, 1. Turned. 3, 2, 1. Fighter. 3, 2, 1. Player. 3, 2, 1. Valley. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Here we go. Climb, 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 climb. The cat will climb another tree. Another. The cat will climb another tree. Full. The glass is not full. Pour. That poor dog needs more water. Great. This park is great, so let's walk through it. Through. This park is great, so let's walk through it. And here is our story for today. We'll read it together. Ginger and the Stars. And here are some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Great. 3, 2, 1 were. 3, 2, 1 through. 3, 2, 1 said. 3, 2, 1 you. 3, 2, 1 pour. 3, 2, 1 wanted. 3, 2, 1 could. 3, 2, 1 was. Okay, so you will get to go first, and then we'll read the title together, then you get to do the reading first. Ginger and the Stars. So we have Ginger and we have Kurt. Okay, and Ginger is a girl name. Okay, ready? Your turn first. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. It was a great night for seeing stars in the sky. Ginger and Kurt were looking up at them. Kurt started to look through the dark hole. So he's using a telescope to look up at the stars. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Kurt said, I can see more stars than you can. I can see that the moon is full, too. Ginger started to feel upset. Her feelings were hurt. When is it my turn? She asked. Poor Ginger. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. After that, Kurt felt bad. He wanted another turn, but he let Ginger go. He could return later. He gave her a turn. Ginger said, Thank you, Kurt. I can't wait to stand under here and see the stars. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready? Begin. Ginger went up to look through the hole. She could see a bright light burst through the sky. She could see it climb high. It was far away, but it felt so close. What a nice way to see the stars, she told Kurt. Okay, friends, so this week we've been working on changing a verb into a noun by adding ER. And remember, ER tells us it's something someone is, so their job. So work is a verb, but if I add the it becomes worker, and that's a noun. It's a person who works. So we have teach is a verb, to teach. But if I add the ER, it becomes a noun, a person who teaches. That's something someone is, a teacher. And last of all, farm, to farm, is something you do. It's a verb. But when you add the ER, it becomes farmer, which is a person who farms, and that's a noun. Something someone, what they do or what they are. Okay, remember, an adjective describes size, shape, number, and color. Adjectives also tell how things look, sound, feel, smell, and taste. So I'm going to read it and then I'm going to let you find the adjectives. In some of these there are 2. So here we go. Lynn saw 2 worms in the big garden. 3, 2, 1. If you said big, you're right. If you said 2, you're right. There are 2 adjectives. This next one has 2 as well. Here we go. The bright sun shone on the hot car. 3, 2, 1. My adjectives would be bright and hot. Okay, this next one only has 1. Would you like the pink car? 3, 2, 1. Pink would be my adjective. And last one, I do not like that sweet drink. 3, 2, 1. Sweet. It describes how the drink tastes. Okay, everyone, that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Bye.